Hello everybody, welcome. Your baby girl Patayaba. I'm actually living in Qatar. Qatar is one of the most beautiful airports I've ever seen in my life. Like, this airport is beautiful. You can actually get missing at this airport. You know those things you see in American movies, they're actually real. Like, I've never seen a beautiful airport as this. I'm living. Trust me, I have to do content for everywhere I am. Yes, leaving the Qatar airport, I need to dance because why? Why will a Nigerian girl come here and will not dance? Yes, that is me dancing and just dancing. I'm happy. Finally, I'm going home. Yeah, this is the airport because my flight is for 1 a.m. So I was at the airport at I think 9 p.m. because to avoid story that touches the heart. Yeah, that is me right here at the airport. Yes. And at this point, I decided to dance one more last dance. Yes, sir. Gay, 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 gay. Look at the way they are looking at me like, you can't be shy as a content creator. Being shy is an error. If you are shy, you will miss out in a lot of things. But this is me. Let me take you guys through my airport experience.
Now I was getting.
This place we are the waiting area, yes, inside the airport, just waiting for us to start boarding. Yeah, kind of bored, I'm tired, and I decided to film myself. So right now, this is us entering the plane. Yeah. Uncle, why are you blocking me? Shift, 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 shift. Yeah, finally I got to my seat. I'm sitting down in the middle. I actually wanted window. But anyway, Sha, that is me sitting down on the middle. Yep. Again, trying to sleep, but they will still come and wake me. Come and eat, come and eat. I'm trying to create content anyway. This is like one of the most funniest trip I've gone to because it's more like a solo trip, even though we are group, because I was the only content creator among them. So every time if I tell them film me, film me, film me, they get tired, but they don't understand. So basically, learn the art of filming yourself as a content creator. It helps me a lot. Okay, that's my view through the window. Yeah, that's my view. I think this is taking off from Qatar. This is me saying bye bye to Doha Qatar. I'm going back to motherland. Motherland. Motherland is the best, baby. Anyway, I'm happy. I'm excited. Such a miss feeling. Yeah. This is it. They woke us up. They got this is their mango juice. Their mango juice is so thick. Mango juice and snacks. I'm not sure I ate that snacks. That snacks is not sweet. It's not sweet. Yeah. And the people I'm sitting down with, they are so nice. They woke me up to eat. Yeah. And that is our food. It came just snacks. I just took snacks and juice. Stretching myself, trying to look at the map. Yeah, where are we right now? Let me not go and see myself in Kazakhstan. So that's my flight information. And they brought another food again. Yeah, and water. Um, Orishirishisha, and I'm actually charging my phone. Yeah, I took coke. They brought fruits. That food, did I even eat it? I'm not sure I eat it. So I was trying to watch a movie. Yeah, because you're so bored. Is it 6 hours or 7 hours flight? And I don't think I actually wanted to sleep. Just trying to look for a movie to watch. and at a point you just be like, because I watch a lot of movies, so you notice that I've watched like half of the movies there. At times I ask myself, how do you even get to watch all these movies? Because I really watch movies. Yeah, I'm a movie fan. I'm a movie fan. So look at the food. It's actually potato. Uh, my brother, I don't know, but I did not eat it. I did not eat it, and I just ate the fruits. Yeah, I ate the fruit. It was so delicious. It was so sweet. It was so nice. It's actually the same fruit as ours in Africa, but just that I don't know. The taste is different. The taste is actually different. Oh, my cord is blocking me. I'm trying to correct it, and all that. So, enjoy with me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have started our descent.
Sign is switched off. Please take care when opening the overhead storage compartment and ensure that you have all with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within the designated smoking area. Thank you for choosing to fly with Qatar Airways and One World Alliance. It has been our pleasure to taking care of you today.
So at this point, guys, I just arrived Nigeria. We passed through the immigration, and right now I'm heading towards. If tiredness was a person, I just arrived Nigeria. Yeah, I just arrived Nigeria, guys. So it is what it is. I put some